Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
Every time you turn a corner, you find something new. It slows your progress, but it's well worth it. So we just stopped for a quick break as we were moving around. There's another glacier. It's all made out of marshmallow. There she is. Making use of the toilets.
They're open.
You're going to have to go and make some yellow snow. So again we find ourselves stopped because of breathtaking scenery. So let's go and have a look. Did you enjoy your lunch?
I did indeed.
What do we have?
We had cheese wraps with mango chutney, onion, tomato and sour cream.
Very nice. You'll find a lot of these parking areas dotted around. They just lay by off the main road. Nice places to stop and have your lunch. Refresh, stretch your legs before heading off onto your next part of the journey. So we just stopped off at a cable car place. Starts off there and then it goes up to the top there. That is mega steep. It's almost vertical. It's almost dragging the cable cars up. How'd you feel?
Alright.
Yeah? You enjoyed yourself?
No hands.
Open that door and do no hands.
No, you're alright.
I think these views are going to be to die for. So let's have a little look. What an amazing place. It's just beautiful. There's no other word, is there?
What's that?
It's just beautiful.
Stunning.
Stunning. Okay, she found another word.
Sorry.
No one likes a smart ass. So at the very top, there's as well as the amazing viewpoint, there's a cafe, which is going to be really cheap. So we were going to go in there and get a nice cup of coffee. And that's how we get down. So we're on another ferry again, and we're heading to Ålesund, which is on the west coast. We'll walk round, stretch our legs, and then get back in the van and find a place to stay for the night. So we've made it to the island of Ålesund. We went to the main town. It was just massively busy. We went to a mobile home camping area, which is great if you want to visit the town, but it was jam-packed. You have to pay there, so we've just come 10 minutes outside the town, 10 minutes, quarter of an hour drive, and we found this location. Hello, good morning. Just fill our bottom cups up with a nice hot drink. But we're in a crisis situation, aren't we?
I drink decaf tea.
Yeah.
And I've run out of tea bags.
Oh dear. We're going to have to sort Claire out this morning, so we'll have to go and stop at a shop somewhere and spend 2,198 quid on 180 tea bags. And we're off again.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
the Atlantic Ocean Road in Western Norway, right at the top of the fjords. And there, the Atlantic Ocean. Amazing place. And what an amazing venture we've had. So it's day 9 in Norway. So what we'll start doing over the next 2-3 days is start heading east and then turning south for the inevitable drive back home. For now, I'll leave you with the Atlantic Coast Road.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories. Lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll
This is where we've ended up for the night. We're going to stay here. Claire's in there. I think we're going to stay put here for tomorrow and just recharge ourselves, just laze around, read a book. We've done quite a bit of driving so far, so yeah, that's the plan anyway. But who knows, things change, don't they? We get restless and we like to adventure, so we'll see there. But I think if we just stay put here for the day, we can lock the van up, go for a walk tomorrow. If the weather's like this again, be gorgeous. We can chase the sun. This actually here is an island, so we'll be able to walk around the island chasing the sun. So that'll be quite nice. Maybe take a picnic and go out for the day. It's so warm. I don't understand it. I don't know what it's like in the UK at the moment. This is terrific. If that tide was in and the water was clear, I'll be going in there for a bit of a cool down. So everything's working on the van good. We had the solar panels tilted upwards earlier today, so I could charge the drone batteries. And we've done that outside the main car park at on the Atlantic Coast Road, so that was good, and everything's working fine. So the split charge from the alternator and the solar all work in harmony, so I'm very happy. I don't quite know what we're going to do for dinner yet, but we'll see. In the meantime, enjoy that view.